So not going into the details of it, but just to get a brief idea, regarding how a report, just a brief idea. This is like an energy audit being done. Energy audit is like, where those entities which have very huge electricity consumption, so where there is, a possibility of electricity saving, cost saving, is that what they try to find out in this energy audit, and accordingly based on the findings they also give the recommendations. And so energy audit conducted by the Academy for Conservation of Energy, then the CEO. Now index, acknowledgement, scope of study, executive summary, introduction, right? Then the specific power consumption, all details, right? Acknowledgement, right? Scope of the study, right? Scope of the study, pumps, lighting, methodology and time schedule followed, executive summary for the savings, and so how they could save on the electricity expenditure, and then the introduction. So that was like the first beginning part. Then after that, now coming to detail, okay, how you did the entire checking, time of use, charges, all the detailed checking, adverse effect, unbalanced, all the technical terms regarding electricity, the voltage and the electronic motor readings, all those findings being given over there, right? So checklist for transformer, power factor, so all these metering, electrical motors, harmonics, right? DG set, then proposed system to reduce power cost in DG set. So these are after all the introduction, findings, conclusion. Now the recommendations, proposed system, so checklist for efficient working, right? Then how the pumps and all, how you saving by installation, then advantages of the sinus filter, right? Then the lighting make, saving by installation of auto photo cell device, right? So lighting, comparison by actual measurement, then the comparisons of the different ballasts which could be used over there, right? So all these recommendations being given over there, right? Investment required for implementing the recommendations, right? Then say this is an environmental audit report, right? So again you have the introduction, objective, finding, right? Then all the findings, and then they've given the images also over there, and then the recommendations. And so recommendations, environmental awareness, risk evaluation, policy strategy, internal waste management, monitoring. And so this is just like an example which I am showing you of the reports. Maybe we can just have a quick look at the annual report of a company also to add some more interest, to add some more interesting content to our study. So maybe let's take the annual report of Infosys. I hope everybody is aware about that there is a company which exists, Infosys, a software company. So this is their annual report, annual report. We talked about it. In this annual report, there will be board report, risk management report, auditor report, corporate governance report. Okay. Right, so this is the annual report of the company, Infosys, and a 313-page report. So report could be of 1 page also, report could be of any number of pages also. So for us, so the entire what happened in the company during the year, is all what is discussed in these reports over here. Right, so see contents, these are the contents of the report. So the thinking resilience, thinking scale, letter to the shareholder, the Infosys board of directors, leadership team, awards, key trends, year at a glance, board's report, so corporate social responsibility, audit report, auditor, annexure to the board's report, so many annexures given to the board report also. Right, then after that you have the, right, we are just seeing the contents, management's discussion and analysis, then corporate governance report. So in the corporate governance report also so much information. Then the CEO, CFO certification, standalone, financial statements of the company, only parent company, and independent audit report, balance sheet, profit and loss, equity, cash flow, notes, then consolidated, that is parent company and all subsidiary, associate, joint venture put together, right? So consolidated financial statements, then the business responsibility report, and then the investor contacts. So this is just a practical lookout for you for what all could be the different reports which could be there. So we saw an energy audit report, an environment audit report, and now we saw an annual report of a company. Right, so the introductory material, the body of the report, the supplementary material, right? So this could be the second, the letter text combination. So one is simple, the letter format, second is the letter text format, and third is the memorandum form. Right, the memorandum form is the simplest way of the report organization. In it, the report writer does not follow the formalities of the letter format. The printed memorandum format forms of various types are used in business houses, which ensures uniformity, clarity, and simplicity in the presentation of the reported information. And memorandum form can be divided in the following parts. Right, so title, name of the report writer. So many a times when you listen to these journalists on the news channel also, they say, say Sonia Shukla from CNBC TV 18 or from Aaj Tak channel. And so name of the report writer. So when the journalist is speaking, that time also they mention their name. So when they are writing the report also, the person who's written that particular report, that article in the newspaper, his name would also be given. The name of the report writer. Date line. Date is again very important for a report. Then the actual text of the report under various headings and subheading, and then the conclusion. So I think this is one of the most popular format of a report. And then the title, the name of the report writer, memorandum form, title, okay, what is the report about, and the name of the report writer. So if I just try to correlate it with the sample newspaper report over here, what is the title of the report? What is the title? Daughter of Gardener tops board exam. Title, daughter of Gardener tops the board exam. Then name of the report writer, by Riya Sharma. By Riya Sharma. Then the date line and also the city. So Bhubaneswar, May 12. Bhubaneswar, May 12. And then the actual text of the report along with the conclusions. So what does it say? Title, daughter of Gardener tops board exam. So it has to be something very catchy, something yet precise, concise, yet gives you an understanding regarding what is the report about. By Riya Sharma. Bhubaneswar, May 12. Suman Nayak, the daughter of a municipal gardener, Om Nayak, has topped the Odisha Board Senior Secondary Examination with 98.8% marks. Her success has been lauded by the staff members of a school, the Government Senior Secondary School, Malkaganj, the Odisha Education Board, and the State Education Minister. When the news was conveyed to Suman by her classmates, she did not believe them. So it's all written in the passive voice. It's all written in the past tense. It was only when the school principal called her that the reality sunk in. Suman's father, Om Nayak, is overjoyed at the news. He said, Suman was always a bright student. I have made all efforts to provide her with the best education despite my meager means. He hopes that she will be able to continue her education in spite of his financial constraints. Suman attributes her success to her parents and teachers. She said that the school teachers had provided her with all possible help by giving her extra time and attention along with books and moral support. Her perseverance, dedication, and hard work are spoken highly of by her teachers. When asked about her future plans, Suman said she wished to become a doctor. However, she was unsure if she could pursue her dream because of her financial problems. She hopes that she will be able to secure a scholarship and get funding by the government. The Times Group has started an initiative to help Suman fulfill her aspirations. Anyone who wishes to contribute to Suman's education can send the amount by check to Suman Nayak Education Fund, The Times of India, MG Road, Bhubaneswar. So look at the coherence, look at the flow, look at the clarity in the content and how involving is the content. So she's passed her examination by 98.99% and 98.8%. Then what, how did Suman come to know about her? Then her father came to know, right? Then after that, how she continued, what was her father's reaction? Then, she attributes her success to her parents and teachers, and her perseverance, dedication, and hard work are spoken highly of by her teachers. So how she could achieve the success of 98.8% is being discussed. Then talking about her future plans, Suman said she wished to become a doctor. However, what is the problem? And then Times Group has taken an initiative. So look at a proper flow, not starting only that Times Group has taken an initiative. For what? And then somewhere writing that she wants to become a doctor and she got 98.8%. No, there has to be a proper flow in the content of the report. So daughter of gardener tops the board exams. So that's the title. right? Everybody with me? That's the title. Then after the title we have the name of the report writer. A memorandum form is what we are seeing over here. Right, then we have the city also, the place also, and the date also on which the report has been written. And then the actual text of the report under various headings and subheadings and the conclusion. Okay, right. Report Commercial Tax Department to train its officials and industry department. And so now this is a report regarding the Commercial Tax Department to train its officials and the industry participants. Right, so Commercial Tax Department to train its officials and industry participants. Title, right, Times News of Indian Network, May 6, 2023, Indore. With the aim to become well equipped with the new goods and service tax and address concerns of dealers, the Commercial Tax Department started to train its officials and industry participants from Friday. Right, so the examples which we are seeing right now over here are all the examples of the newspaper report. So now what you're going to do, next 5 days you're going to read 10 reports every day in the newspaper. So 50 reports and a practical application, boss, nothing to beat it. And a practical, and read the report. Now just not in the context of news, in the context, now you're going to read it in the context of report writing, because it's a part of your syllabus. And so again, what did I tell you the other day? We don't want to get a ready-made fish. We want to learn how to do the fishing. So, 5 days, if you start looking into 10 reports every day, already you've seen so much of how fishing is done, of how reports are prepared. So automatically then you also, will develop an idea and then you start practicing. Obviously, only seeing is not going to work. And then you start writing a few reports on your own and then you will be good at it. Okay, right. So what does it say? With an aim to become well equipped with the new GST and address concerns of dealers, the Commercial Tax Department started to train its officials and industry participants from Friday. The department has selected 25 locations in the state covering 23 cities on different dates. Right, Manoj Chaubey, Deputy Commissioner, Commercial Tax Department said, so some person said so, like in your school you had no reference to context, who said to whom, those types. Our aim is to be fully prepared to handle GST from July. So this is in May, no? So from July when they want to handle GST. Right. We started a training session from Friday that will most likely extend till the end of month across Madhya Pradesh. Initially, the department will train all its officials and then conduct interactive training sections for the dealers. GST, to be implemented in the country from July, aims to provide a single window tax structure across the country, simplifying tax refunds and interstate transfer of goods and ensure merchant compliances. According to the tax department, about 2,200 officials across the state will be trained by the experts. In Indore, 2 locations have been set by the department to conduct the training session. There are about 3 lakh dealers across the state registered with the Commercial Tax Department, of which close to 50,000 are from Indore, tax experts said, because Indore is again a major commercial hub in Madhya Pradesh. We plan to conduct corporate training as well as under the session. Right, so training session will bring clarity and technical know-how about dealing with tax returns and other things under GST. Chaubey said, many a times in reports it's there, so and so said so. Right, so industry participants have raised serious concerns about various norms under GST, stating the lack of clarity and training will lead to difficulties in handling the GST. This will prove especially true for small units that are not tech savvy and do not have access to the internet. Right, they said small industries are not computer literate and they will have to employ additional manpower to file returns every month. Right, source the Times of India. Right, so those are 2 examples over there for you for the regarding the newspaper report. Okay. Right, so daughter of gardener tops board exams. That one example we took over there. And then the Commercial Tax Department to train its employees and the department for the tax training, the GST training and so. Right, so then after that by Riya Sharma and then Bhubaneswar, July 12, 2000 XX, 23 or so. Right, and then you write down the content of the report. Right, so that's the format for the newspaper report. Now very similar format also for the magazine reports. So school magazine or so, or any Business Association, their magazine. Right, so St. Agnes College celebrates annual day by Manoj Upadhyay. Right, so now this is being put in the what do you say, the magazine of the school, that the school this month celebrated or previous month celebrated its annual day. And the St. Agnes College Green Park celebrated its annual day on 2nd May 2023. Right, so now here it's not given in the, the name, and the city is not, the city and the date is not given in the beginning. A newspaper report that was given, and a magazine report, now heading is there, writer, name of the report writer, that is also there, so title is there, name of report writer also there, and a name of the report writer, even that is there. But then the date, it has been incorporated in the content itself, the date has been incorporated in the content itself, and the place also, Green Park, so no city as such mentioned over there. Right, so St. Agnes College Green Park celebrated its annual day on 2nd May 2023 with great fanfare. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, was the chief guest at the function. So very important highlight right at the beginning of the report. The program began with the lighting of the lamp by the chief guest. It was followed by a welcome address and the presentation of the college annual report by the principal, Ms. Swati Mehra. Right. The first item of the cultural program was presented by the MBA students. It was a musical drama on the necessity of protecting the environment for the future generations. The students expressed themselves brilliantly, bringing out the perils of destroying our planet. Then the law students showcased the culture of India through folk dances. Each dance was preceded by beautiful audio-visual effects depicting the main cultural features of the region. The colorful dresses of the graceful Garba dancers, the colorful dresses of the graceful Garba dancers, the vigor and energy of the Bhangra dancers, and the little music with elegant swaying movements of the Bihu and Hajgiri dancers from the northeast enthralled the audience. The BCom and the BBA pupils enacted a play depicting the dangers of internet and social media addiction for the adults and the children. So not only children, adults also, it says it's a problem. Internet and social media. Right, they brought out the message poignantly, very clearly, very impressively, very effectively. Every audience was moved by the acting and the story of a young life ruined by the social media addiction. The audience gave a loud and a long round of applause for all the participants. The grand finale was the speech by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. He highly praised the performance by the students and appreciated the thought-provoking themes chosen by them. The program concluded with a vote of thanks by Sagar Mehta, the college head boy. Right, by college head boy. Right, so that's a report which is coming in the school magazine. Okay, then report on coronavirus cases reported by the WHO. So now again it's a newspaper report over here. Right, so coronavirus cases reported by whom? WHO. Headlines today. So say that's the newspaper, Geneva, January 4. Right, though the World Health Organization's alert level remains one short of a global pandemic, 18 countries have now reported laboratory confirmed cases. So this is the time when COVID had just entered into the world. Okay, the number of suspected coronavirus cases across the globe has touched 898. Now if you know the numbers, it's altogether at a different crore level now. And with 20 confirmed deaths so far. Though the WHO alert level remains one short of a global pandemic, 18 countries have now reported the laboratory confirmed cases. China became the first country to report a case. Paris remains the worst affected with 506 cases and 19 deaths. However, the country's health secretary feels that the epidemic is now declining. Rather, it didn't happen that way, it became a pandemic only. But the WHO is not dropping the level 5 alert just yet. Right? Source India Today. And a Source India Today. Right? So this was just at the beginning when WHO started giving an alert that there is a virus which has come and entered in China, and then beginning some 898 confirmed cases so far across the globe and 20 confirmed deaths so far. Right, and it says Paris was the even in the beginning, out of the 898 cases, some 506 cases over there and 19 deaths out of the 20 over there itself. Okay, then report on the Ganga River cleaning project. Right, so Ganga River Cleaning Project. Now, to, from, date, acknowledgement. So again, a different format over here. And a to Sunil Gupta, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Environment, from Nilesh Upadhyay, Research Officer, Ministry of Environment. So in the exam, they'll mention, whether you need to write a newspaper report, a magazine report. So then it becomes very clear that you have to follow the format of the title, name of the report writer, the city, the date, and start with the content. However, if they talk about a letter text combination, right, or a letter format, then accordingly you need to change to this format. But if it's written newspaper report or magazine report, then 100% you know that this is not the format. The letter format is not to be followed. And a newspaper or magazine report, do you need to follow the letter format? No, there you don't need to follow the letter format. Okay. Right, so from Nilesh Upadhyay, date 15th April, subject cleaning the Ganga River, acknowledgement, right? So this is like our second combination which we had discussed over here, and the letter text combination of the report. Okay. It's a very interesting content. And a subject, cleaning the Ganga River, acknowledgement. So again, at the beginning of the report itself, I'm deeply grateful to all the people who extended their invaluable help and support in the research and writing of the report. I wish to specially thank so-and-so people, right? And then the contents. Introduction, causes, effects, solution, and the conclusion. Something similar to what we had seen in the environment audit report and the energy audit report. Okay, summary. And so what is this report about? Our national river, the Ganga, remains one of the most polluted rivers in the world, denying vast populations of their rights to clean water. The problem associated with pollution of the Ganga are numerous. It has multiple causes related to the issue. The contamination of the water affects human, plants and animals, flora and fauna, as well as the ecology of the areas along the river. However, there are solutions and remedies which can be implemented to save the dying river. Right, so that's the summary. Introduction. The river Ganga is often referred to as the dying river due to its continuing pollution for decades. This report attempts to state the current situation and the damage to the environment and ecosystem being caused by pollution of the river. Several solutions to clean the river have been suggested to restore the river to its pristine state. What a wonderful thought. Right, causes. What are the main reasons? Why so much? Why is it being called as the dying river? Over-exploitation. Exploitation of Ganges water have rendered long stretches of the river completely dry for much part of the year. Almost 80% of the water is diverted for agriculture purposes. Dumping of sewage waste accounts for 80% of the pollution in the Ganga river. And discarding industrial waste, toxic and industrial effluents dumped into the river account for 20% of the pollution. Then agricultural pollution, water intensive farming and runoff from inorganic forms including dangerous chemical like DDT and HDH had added to the pollution. Disposal of solid waste. And tons of plastic, polythene, images of gods and other trash are thrown into the Ganga river, choking her waters and blocking the existing sewage systems. Then harvesting electricity. The very dams along the Ganga have affected her flow, thus affecting the ecology of the river. And ecological degradation, deforestation, encroachment, tourism and other human activities are damaging the fragile ecosystems the Ganga river supports. Right, then what are the effects? So these are the causes. Now what are the effects? Spread of disease. And drinking polluted water can cause cholera or typhoid infections along with diarrhea. Affects body organs. The consumptions of highly contaminated water can cause injury to the heart and kidneys. Harms the food chain. And toxins within water can harm aquatic organisms, thus breaking a link in the food chain. Right, causes algae in the water. Waste matter causes algae too in the water source. Bacteria fed off the algae, decreasing the amount of oxygen in the water. The decreased oxygen causes harm to other organisms living in the water. So the entire ecology getting affected. Flooding. The erosion of soil into waterways causes flooding, especially with heavy rainfall. Right, harms animals. Birds that get into oil contaminated water die from exposure to cold water and air due to feather damage. Other animals are affected when they eat dead fish in contaminated streets. Right, the effects of water pollution are not always immediate. However, water pollution has a huge impact on our life. With knowledge, consideration and preparation, water pollution can be decreased. It doesn't take much effort, just a little thought. Okay, right. So such a big report, and a school looks like a school project being given to you, wherein you have to study a problem and then find out possible solutions or so. Right. So there are several steps that can be taken to help prevent water pollution from getting worse. Take steps to conserve the soil. It results in conserving water and the water life. Planting vegetative cover, strict erosion management, and implementing beneficial farming methods are just few of the many possible approaches to soil conservation. Restore ecological flows at every point along the Ganga's course. Prevent and curtail all wastewater, starting with sewage and industrial waste from mixing with the river. Install sewage and effluent treatment plants. Promote massive water conservation and water resource management, including the rainwater harvesting schemes. And it's only if you're a well-read person and having knowledge about all these facts, only then this content can come in your report. Involve stakeholders in all way to clean the river. Implement policies and plans that connect state and local bodies, addressing their challenges and encouraging training and capacity building program. Right? Start mass awareness campaign and media based water eco consciousness campaign that encourage people to not only stop pollution but also to become an active part of the solution. So not only stopping but also becoming an active part of the solution. Conclusion. So cause, effect, solution, and now finally conclusion. Cleaning the Ganga river is feasible and a possible project. It requires strict implementation of policies formulated by the government, involvement of all stakeholders, and involving the general population at every level in the effort to reach to the goal of having an uncontaminated river. Right, so that's the cleaning of the Ganga River, a detailed report given over there. Now, this is a report in the form of a suggestion and a report on the installation of computers in the bank. And so Bank of India, branch Rajarampuri, Kolhapur, Jan 10, General Manager, Bank of India, Head Office. Subject, report on the installation of computer in the bank. Reference your order number. And so very similar to the business letters which we have studied. And a dear sir, so opening salutation. With reference to your order mentioned above, I am submitting herewith a brief report on the installation of computers in our branch at Rajarampuri, Kolhapur. Okay, the objectives of the study report are as follows: to study the advantages of computers in the bank, to study the financial requirement for the installation of computer, to find the possibility of diverting some staffs of the Rajarampuri branch to the extension counter at Shivaji University. Findings. A thorough inspection of the present position of the Rajarampuri branch and its customers was made during the last 3 weeks for the purpose of presenting this report. So what testing you did? This branch was established in 1975. During last 2 years, I found that the area covered by this branch is getting developed, and due to speedily increasing in the number of the shops, the speedily increase in the number of shops, hospitals, dispensaries, apartments, industry, hotel, lodging, educational institution, our customers increase rapidly. In 81, there were 5,000 depositors, and now there are 24,000 depositors in this branch. Nowadays, we are finding it difficult to give the quick and satisfactory service to our customers due to such an increase in their number. For withdrawal of cash, the customer has to wait at least for 20 minutes. They are taking away their deposits from our bank as they prefer to open their accounts in the rival banks. Some of our rival banks in this area are like the Ratnakar Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank have already installed computers, and they are giving the quick services to the customers. It is obvious that time is very important in this competitive world, and to save time in bank procedure, there is no alternative other than computers. It gives rapid calculation, results in almost a fraction of seconds. The prices of computers are falling down, and we can buy 2 computers in the investment of 1,40,000. There is no need to recruit the trained computer operators. We can give training to our employees, and they will easily operate the computers after the completion of their training program. After installing computers in Rajarampuri branch, we can transfer half of its staff to our new extension counter at the Shivaji University. So there is a need to employ new staff at the extension counter. Right, so that's the advice regarding the purchase of the computers. Okay, next one. So now report on the depletion in the traditional client base. A nationalized bank wishes to find out why its clients who were banking with them for years have suddenly switched over to new private banks. And the bank needs to know how this downward trend can be arrested or even reversed. So they have a finding the business is going down. People are not continuing the business with the bank and opting for some new banks. Right. So date August 24, Managing Director, Bank of Baroda, Nariman Point. There's subject submission of report on decreasing client in Nariman branch. Submission of report on decreasing client base in Nariman branch. Dear Sir, on the recommendations of Harikesh Rathore, Chief Financial Advisor, a committee comprising of the following members was constituted on September 5 to conduct an inquiry into the sudden withdrawal of accounts from the customer of the bank and to make the positive suggestions. The committee was asked to submit the report within a month. The committee has investigated the matter and the report is ready for your consideration. In case of any clarification, please feel free to contact us. An enclosed report. Right, so not writing in the main letter, as an annexure to the letter they've given the report. Right, what is the title? Inquiry reporting on the shrinking client base and recommendations to overcome the crisis. Terms of reference. A committee was appointed to investigate the problem of the fast depleting client base and suggest solution to arrest the downward trend. The committee was given a month's time to submit its findings and recommendations from the date of appointment. The committee comprised of 5 members from the branch, which will be at the discretion of the bank manager. Procedure. So what was the objective? Then what procedure they followed? Right, and finalize the following methodology to find out about facilities offered by other bank, to interview clients to find out their impression about the services and facility, to compare this bank with other private banks scheme by scheme, facility by facility. And then the findings. Like private banks have better infrastructure, waiting time in the queues is lesser and sitting arrangements are comfortable, which makes banking a leisurely exercise. Private banks are more customer friendly. The interiors, ease of operation, timely service, ready availability of any information, higher levels of automation, assistance provided with even the simplest procedures make banking even more comfortable in the private banks. Right? Make banking more comfortable in the private banks. Just give me a moment. Just a moment. What sound it's making now? So no worries, we'll continue. Right. So private banks, they say more comfortable in the private banks. See, make banking more comfortable. So conclusion. Services at private banks are far more satisfying than the nationalized bank like us. And this is the main reason for clients opting for these private banks. Right. So first you give the terms of reference, regarding what is the objective. Then what methodology, what procedure. Then findings, then conclusions, then number 5, the recommendations. The situation is indeed serious and the following recommendations need to be adopted to retain our client base and to survive the competition which currently is a threat to our existence. The bank must have better infrastructure. Use of latest electronic tools with introduction of facilities like ATM is essential. Staff needs to be trained to be customer friendly. Business hours should be increased. Right? Appointment of a customer relation personnel is necessary to improve the rapport with the customers. And focusing on students as future customers, lowering the minimum deposit amount to open a savings account, simplifying procedures and cutting down the processing time is the need of the hour. Right? Signed S.K. Arora, date September 30. Right, so that's a report regarding the, trying to analyze why the performance of the number of clients are decreasing, shrinking, and why they are opting for the other private banks. And also submission of a report, so terms of reference, procedure, finding, conclusion, and then the recommendations. Right, now this is an example of an individual report, right? So Patanjali Private Limited marketing manager, date June 10, the managing director, report on the cause of decline in the sales of the CBT washing machine. Right, so this is in response to your letter dated asking me to find out the reasons for the decline in the sales of the company's washing machine. I'm happy to inform you that I've probed into the matter and compiled this report for your use, for your perusal. I interviewed 25 customers who had purchased washing machines in the month of March and also studied the complaint letters received from the customers. The customers were found to be unhappy mainly for the following reason. The machine made a lot of noise. The outlet pipe became loose too often, spilling water all over. Only one program was fully functional and customers could run it. Other programs did not run. The steel body of the machine rusted in a short period of time. So what we did, we interviewed 25 customers. These are the findings. In order to find out if these complaints were specific to machines produced under a specific batch, I looked at all the complaints received by the company and realized that that was not the case. Complaints against machines purchased within the last 6 months were similar in nature. It seems that the product design is defective and needs urgent rectification. Once the product design is improved, the company will have to focus on an advertising and publicity campaign to regain its lost image as well as the trust of the customers. Giving additional incentives to retailers can again help promote this machine and improve the sales. With regards Sunil Chauhan, the Sonal head. Right, then the report of the subcommittee on students' participation in co-curricular activities. And okay, students are not participating in co-curricular activities. So terms of reference. So again, subcommittee was appointed following the resolution passed by the local managing committee, resolved that a subcommittee and is hereby formed to look into the reasons behind lack of participation in extracurricular activities organized by the college. The committee would submit its report to the principal. The subcommittee would comprise the following members. Okay, procedure. Right, so terms of reference, objective, then procedure. The subcommittee met twice to formalize the procedure. A questionnaire was formulated to be administered to the students. The committee collected the exact number of students who participated in the various extracurricular activities organized by the college during this year and the previous year. After collecting the data and comparing the figures obtained over the 2 years, the committee arrived at the following conclusion. Students' interest in these activities are decreasing. Majority of the students had enrolled either for professional courses or tuition classes or had jobs. Students were more keen on participating in activities that were perceived as glamorous and that promised exposure on the visual media or offered the cash prizes. Participation in sport meant rigorous practice for which they had no time, and students did not seem to be keen on participating in any team events. Conclusion. Students are not interested in extracurricular activities. They neither have the time nor the inclination to participate in such activity. Recommendation. Considering that co-curricular, extracurricular activities are super important, are necessary for the overall personality development, the subcommittee recommended the following measures. Right, creating awareness amongst the students about the importance of the curricular activities, projecting such activities as stress busters, teaching students the importance of teamwork and the development of team spirit against competitive spirit and individuality, linking group project work and project mark with such activities in order to enforce the better participation. Right, so Mandeep Nivas, Head Cultural Department, December 14. Right, next one, report of the subcommittee on feasibility of a smart card service by best for regular commuters. And so bus in the public transport, it says they should be having the smart card system. Right, so again the terms of reference, then the procedure being followed, get feedback from commuters, identify the route, decide on the modalities, amount to be charged, scheme, outlets for distribution of card, and the details for application. Right, then what are the findings, the conclusions, and the recommendations. Right, so few of the reports I want you to read it on your own also. Okay, right, then after that what does it say? Submission of report on the student grievances. So submission of report on student grievances. There were 30 complaints in July and August which were sorted as follows. Right, were about the functioning of the library, only 2 computers in the library, space available in the library staff was unnecessarily hostile, about the against the office staff, pointing to delays in the processing application, and were about the examination committee. Right, so then the conclusions and then the recommendations, and then I would sincerely thank you for giving me this opportunity to look into the matters that concern the students. And then these are just some examples of what you say, some pictorial reports. So infrared camera market, so that's the CCTV camera. So handheld camera market segment is anticipated to witness high growth over the forecast period. US fixed cameras increased by 40%, European and any market share, and then the different countries in North America and so. And then yours truly, Anupam Penuli, and then the marketing department. Right, so this is just an offbeat, a different variety of a report given to you over here. Right, so just 1 or 2 reports at the end I want you to read on your own, and rest apart from that, rest of the reports we've all seen them in the class. Right, so interesting. Ganga river cleaning, and then the complaint, and then open installation of a computer, and then why the bank customer base is shrinking, why it is reducing, and so. Right. So I see, you need to pat your back that you've heard me so far, that you have made it a point that whatever I am teaching, whatever I am discussing, whatever we are, being together for this time for attending the class, you have really been a sport to make it a point that you have attended these lectures throughout. Yes, very important to be in touch with the subject, to know the base regarding what its topic is, and to do a good amount and effective practice, not just reading, not just reading just to begin with, reading examples, fair, that should also be done, but that's only half the battle won, and the remaining half is to do the practice on your own. Right, so thank you so much, and probably I meet you in some other set of classes very soon. Hello, bye bye, and once again thank you very much. Bye bye.